Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this massage machine, and as you can see, it is pretty straightforward how to use that. It is basically for your neck, your shoulders, and that upper back area. You can use it on other spots as well, though. You're gonna throw in your arms in here, and then you can hold it in place easily. And then also you got like some control buttons on that side. Here is the power source connected, so you have to have that plugged in. And as you can see, we have the button to turn it on, then to decide which way they should be rotating. And then if you want to heat them up, and then there's like 3 different levels for intensity that you can choose from. So you can figure out what is needed to make it feel good for you. So feel free to check that out. And yeah, I'm kind of excited to let you know we're almost done with our new setup, so this is probably the last couple days we are having to upload videos in a bad format, and that's kind of exciting too, though. Yeah, so my name is Badger. I will see you around. Take care, you guys. Until the next video, have a good one, and bye bye.